Okay, in this video, I'm going to discuss how you approach Canvas and how you move over to WebAssign to complete your assignment on WebAssign. Okay, so here you have your home, announcements, modules, assignments, grades, syllabus, and Conf4Zoom, and you can see further as you go down. Okay, now, and you can see there's a getting started page. So basically this talks about, the attendance, course structure, content, syllabus, textbook and additional resources, all the things that you're going to see also on your syllabus. Okay, and then down here you have your student support and resources. So this is all the support services that you're going to see that are on campus. So I'm just going to go ahead and minimize that. And then you have Chapter 1, Prerequisites Not Required. This was what I posted prior to the semester beginning, so if some of you worked on that, that's great. You can go back and reference anything that I've put in there if you need to look at some other information, whether it's like factoring or some things that you haven't seen in a little while. So you have that as well. Okay, and then you have your Unit 2, which is where we're starting in Unit 2, Equations and Inequalities. So you have your orientation assignment, your introduce yourself assignment. Make sure you complete those. Now here is where I want you to start. So each section you're going to have a learning objective, a lecture video, and a video assignment. Same thing, 2.3, learning objectives, a lecture video, and a video assignment. So I'm just going to go through the first one, and it's going to be very similar to all the rest. So you have your learning objectives, and when I click on that, it tells you what you're learning for that particular section. And then I'm going to hit next. And then here you have the lecture videos. So you have this guided notebook. Okay, and the guided notebook is for you to print out as you work through the videos. So there'll be blanks for you to fill in any definitions, and all blanks for when you need to kind of show your work with the examples that I'm showing you in the videos. So I have all the videos of each particular example, so they're not like relatively long videos. So you can go back, you can see the title of each particular video right above it so you know what you're working with. Okay, and then if you want to read the section of this particular book, you can go ahead and click on that, and it's going to bring you to the website called OpenStax. And so it brings you directly to that section 2.2. Okay, so this is where the textbook is in the online version of what it looks like on the website itself. Now, if I wanted to print this out, for example, if you want to print out on yourself, you can go back to where it says College Algebra. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. And then it brings up the college algebra, the book details, and the resources and student resources, what you have here. Your student resources, you have your student getting started guide, reading and note-taking guide, okay? And then you have your book details. So you have your table of contents, okay? You have View Online, which is what we were doing previously. You can download the app if you want to, or you can download a PDF to your actual computer. So it's all for free here. If you want to order a printed copy, I believe that's going to cost a certain amount. Okay, so just make sure that that you're able to access this information. Okay, and so now once you've done doing that and going through the guided notebook, you're going to watch your lecture videos and fill in the information on your guided notebook. And then at the very bottom of each lecture video, you're going to have the completed lecture notes. So these are my notes that I've completed for you that you see in the videos. Okay, and then when you click next, it's going to bring you to the video assignment. So this is the exact order of how you should go through each assignment. So it tells you when it is due, how many points there are, okay, and it says video assignment 2.2, and it's saying resume because I've already started it. Okay, so sometimes you may have already started it and you want to come back and resume. So I'm going to select resume. Okay, and here's question number 1. So question number 1, you have your options up here in a drop-down menu. You can pick any question that you want to go through. It tells you how many points you've earned. You can use this arrow to go to the next question. Okay, and then over here you have how many points that are scored. If you wanted to print it out, the print version. Okay, but the idea here is you want to watch the video. Now some of these videos are from different instructors. Okay, I put in some of my videos. I'm still putting in some other videos of my lectures in here. So video 2 is mine. So when you click on that, that's going to be my video that I have from our lecture video. So you also can reference it there. And then you can submit your question once you answer it. Then when you move on to question number 2, you're going to have another video associated with it, and then you're going to answer your questions. So basically, this is a pre-assignment for your homework. This is to get you comfortable and ready with what you just got done seeing in your lecture videos. Okay, so again, that's how you're going to navigate through this. Now, once you've completed that, okay, the video assignment 2.2, then you can either go back to the home page or your modules, because then here, so at this point, you should have already registered for WebAssign. So when you click the link, now that you've registered through the link, when you click on it, automatically it's going to bring up a new page, okay, with WebAssign. Okay, so this is what your page is going to look like. All right, so you can move, to close a sidebar if you want to, so you can do that if you want to kind of keep this open. Okay, and then it's telling you how many days you have remaining, okay, because it's a 14-day trial. And then if you want to purchase it, you can here. Okay, and then at the top it says home, my assignments, grades, communication, calendar, and this is where you find the textbook. Okay, and then once you've completed that video assignment for homework 2.2, then you're going to come in over here and then start the assignment. Okay, so you're going to click on that, and then from here you're going to open up the assignment. Okay, and you're going to see, you can print the assignment over here. You have listed all the questions. It tells you when the assignment is due. Okay, and then here's question number 1. Here are the details. And then over here, you can practice another question if you want as you move along a little further in the homework assignment. So this is how you're going to access the assignment. Some of them may have example videos, some of them may not. If they don't have any, then you may want to go back to Canvas and reference some of the lecture videos that I've created for you. So this is the conclusion of Canvas and WebAssign together as you're working through your assignments.